These viral miniature working assistant videos are taking over social media right now, and this Instagram page has just started, yet already gained over 70,000 followers by posting this exact style of content. What's even crazier is that some of the videos have already reached millions of views, and they're still counting. The best part is that these videos look incredibly realistic and professionally made, but they can actually be created with AI in just a couple of minutes. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. The tiny workers, realistic movements, and satisfying miniature details make these videos incredibly engaging to watch from start to finish. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free. First, head over to ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt and hit enter. It will instantly provide you 10 viral video ideas to choose from. Take a look through the list and simply select the one you like the most. Now, just type the number of your chosen idea and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate the complete master prompt for that specific video, so you don't have to write or edit anything yourself. Once your master prompt is ready, simply copy it and head over to Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. After that, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your AI miniature working assistant video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process. Just choose a different idea each time and you'll be able to create unlimited, unique, miniature working assistant videos without spending hours editing. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.